guys, programming time here. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to download and install Python and pycharm on macOS, because there's a couple of videos that actually show you how to do this, but not completely. Okay, so first of all, you have to search on Safari pycharm. Download pycharm, alright, and then you'll see this link, and it's from JetBrains, and just click on it. So it'll get you on this page, and do not download the professional, because the professional is for scientific with development, and for it's just more deeper and harder. So there's a free trial, and actually it costs you if you download the professional. So you should download the community, and up here you can see Windows, Mac, Linux. Just click on Mac and then download the community. So if you're asking what this arrow actually means, so it means the processor that's on your Mac. Is it Intel or the M1 chip? You know what I mean? So Apple Silicon, that means the M1 chip and that series. My Mac uses Intel, so I'll just keep it on Intel. And then you'll press on download. Okay, right here. Thank you for downloading pycharm. Your download should start shortly. So do you want to allow downloads on JetBrains? Allow. And then just wait for it to download. While we're waiting for pycharm to download, I'll show you how to download Python. So we'll go to their website. So you should just search download Python, and then it will get you on this page. And then just press on download Python 3.9.5, or just the latest version of Python for Mac. So it would just take you for Mac. Just press on that. Then we'll wait for it to download. So till now, Python already got downloaded. So Python comes with its own IDLE that you can program in, but for me it's much more difficult. So when you press on this, it'll get you on this page, and it's installed Python. So this package will install Python 3.9.5 for macOS. So continue, and then agree, then continue, install. So it's installing now. And there you have it. We have installed Python, and then you can press on the IDLE, and you can just start programming on the IDLE. But I don't really like programming on the IDLE. I would definitely recommend, because the IDLE is pretty limited, and I will definitely recommend a programming environment like pycharm, Visual Studio Code. Any programming environment is much better than the IDLE, but that's just my personal opinion. So alright, so let's see. Okay, so pycharm downloaded as well, so press on that. Okay, so get you on this page. It says pycharm Community Edition. Drag to applications. So you'll just take that and drag it to applications. Alright. And then if you didn't actually find it, just search on your Mac. Search on your Mac pycharm, and it will get you there, alright? So pycharm, just press on it. Okay. Okay, so it'll get you on this page, and then just press on new project. And so that you could add Python, you just click base interpreter and click right there and add your Python that you've just installed. I've just installed 3.9, and this is your project, and you could call it whatever you want. So right here is the name of your project. I'm just gonna be calling it Python 9. 3.9. Alright, and then just create. And there's this like thing that beginners have problems with, and it's to create a new file, and it will always give you tips every day. So there's this thing. When I first started off, I didn't know how to actually open a file, so you have to concentrate with me. So it's just creating the environment right now, so I have to wait a bit. Alright, so you should press it right here. Wait a second, okay. Okay, so you'll press right here, and it will get you on this main file. So just to show you, and like, you know, and then this is our project, and then you'll right click and go new Python file, and then Python file, you'll call it whatever file you want. Let's say hello world. And here's another tip: you can just like enter without saying .py, but you should put .py, but it would do it automatically for you. So just enter, and there you go, .py, because it's a Python file. And then there you go, you can start off coding. And at the end of this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and especially subscribe. Bye!